Hey guys, RandomAsidy here, and today I'm going to be showing you my favorite way to pop popcorn. Let's get right to it. So I got a big jar of popcorn and a mortar, which I already put one inside, and I'm going to light it off and see what happens. I got my phone back there, another camera over here. I'm going to send the drone up. I'm going to have this camera in hand, and it should be popping. Well guys, that was pretty epic. That was the first little pop kind of threw me off there. I didn't know what was going on, if it had failed or what. But I think that turned out pretty good. Here's what we got left of it. The bottle is just shredded. You can see where the corn, as it went out, kind of melted it. Well, I think that was a success. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Till next time, keep rolling with the random.